Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a mashed potato, bacon, and green onion pizza. You heard me correctly, mashed potatoes. Hey, the first thing we're going to make, which is the last thing we'll need, crema. Got a 1/4 cup of sour cream here. What I've got here is heavy cream, about 1/3 of a cup. And then you want about tablespoon of lime juice. And these are those little bitty limes. So it's going to take a little bit of effort to get a tablespoon in there. Little bitty, man. They're not even the size of not much bigger than a 1/4. One more half. Okay? Man, you got to squeeze that guy. And then we just want to get it mixed in really, really well. And then the final thing we want, a little salt. Just not much at all, just to taste. This is pink Himalayan sea salt. Now, we're going to get this crema in the fridge. Regular old Bob Evans mashed potatoes in this bowl. What I've got here, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. And then I'm going to come in with about a tablespoon of garlic. That's right, I like garlic. And now you just want to get this all mixed in well. What I did was I set these Bob Evans potatoes out on the counter inside, let them thaw out. Just want to get this cream cheese blended into these mashed potatoes well. I think that'll do it. Turn this pellet grill on. We want our temp up to 500. And then we'll get our pizza stone in here. You want to heat them up together. You want to heat that stone slowly. Get the lid closed. I've got a pizza peel here. Just going to put down a little flour. Don't need a lot. And then come in with just a little cornmeal. That'll just help our pizza slide off. I'll show you what I got here. Pizza dough comes from Publix, already made. Comes in a package, 1 pound. So I don't have to play making pizza dough. So we're just going to spread this out on our peel like so. And I'm coming in with my mashed potatoes. I'll sprinkle a layer of mashed potatoes around this. And if you made homemade, yours will probably be a little bit thicker than this. And we're not going to need that whole container of the Bob Evans. We're probably only going to need about half. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. A little bit more. I always get too much on stuff when I make it like this. Now I've got a 10-ounce blend. This is mozzarella and Parmesan. Just going to sprinkle our cheese on here. It's so fresh that it was all sticking together in there. So I use my hand. And we're not going to need all of it either. I'm going to use about 2/3, so it's about 6-7 ounces. Now I've got 8 pieces of bacon that I fried up earlier and drained. Drained on a paper towel to get that grease off. And I'm going to use it all because, quite frankly, I don't think you can ever have enough bacon. I've got green onion. Just the top part, the green. I didn't use the white. And I chopped up 5. And we're only going to use roughly 4. And then I've got more green. That's jalapeno. I chopped up 1, deseeded it, deveined it. And that jalapeno, the whole jalapeno is what I used. Now for some color, I have a half of a red bell pepper that I chopped up. And I'm probably only going to use about a half to 2/3 of that half. So in other words, roughly a 1/4 of a red bell pepper. And the final thing we have just a few red pepper flakes, not even a teaspoon. I said final, but I've got some rosemary. I chopped up 1.5 sprigs finely. Oh, it's going to make it delicious. And then I grew some basil, so I got roughly 3 to 4, I think it was 4 basil leaves that I chopped up. Now we're done with the ingredients. This pellet grill is only running 420. It's getting dark. I wanted to run up about 500. What I'm putting on here is a little bit more cornmeal. Just help this pizza come off later. See if we can't get it off without tearing it up. We lost some of our goodies. Well, it's going to be more of an oblong pizza than a round pizza. Let's get some of our bacon back over here. Almost a disaster getting it on there, huh? Now we'll try to make it more round. I need to get this grill shut before the temperature drops too much. Hey, it is what it is. I'm hoping it'll still taste good. Hey, it's been 30 minutes. Should have taken 15 to 20, but my pellet grill wouldn't get up to 500. I opened it up to put the pizza in. It dropped down below 400, and the highest temp it got was 425. 30 minutes. Let's check it out. Let's have a look under here. Oh, I think we're ready to go. A little brown around the edges. You can see the cheese is all melty there. Getting nice and brown. We're going to take this mashed potato and bacon pizza off and give it a taste. Hey, we had a little challenge getting that pizza on the grill, but look at the final product. It turned out great. Let's cut this thing. We've waited long enough. Oh, I hear crispy. And let's get a piece here. There's what she looks like underneath. Perfect. Let's give it a taste. I can't wait. Oh. The mashed potatoes make it fluffy. It's fluffy. Give it like a really light flavor. Creamy. The texture is just perfect. The cheese is cooked just perfectly. That bacon, you've got to make this one. Hey, I've got a couple more pizza videos down below.